Hi guys, so in the midst of no super content, it's about time to bring back the other car. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Kevin here. We're out here bringing back the original car that started everything on the channel, the real OG. What's up?
Cleaning the car, bro. A little brush.
Oh, in here?
Little crevice. Best way to get
I've actually never even done that to mine.
Never done that?
Never.
You get all the little dust areas. Clear. Easy.
She's looking good though. Coil packs are already in. It's just a bumper now?
The bumper.
Cool.
Turned it on, warmed it up. Lost time. Get in the streets again.
Yep.
We're getting it clean. It's not dirty. But
Oh, you got the whole shifter and everything done.
yeah, everything is done.
The whole center console.
Just,
Yeah, because I last saw it with all that off it.
yeah, it was nice. Look at when you little brush through, you remove all the dust and the little crevice. It's just been sitting in the garage forever, and then
Yeah.
it gets into the little crevice and everything.
Struts still work?
Yeah,
Cool.
works. The new coils, the dental, same shit.
One NZ, right?
Yeah. Now wiping it down, clean it up. She just collected dust, just being in the garage. I would assume not. It will not get no dirt on that car. But I was wrong. I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna have to buy one of those big ass bubble things that you can wrap. They leave it on a bubble thing. But it runs nice. It's some pump gas in it. I didn't store it with regular gas.
Yeah. I made the mistake. I never drained mine.
Oh, that's not a good idea.
Yeah.
You need to make sure that you're doing that E85.
Yeah.
When you store it with pump gas.
I thought I'd be doing it faster than I did. Now I'm paying for it.
You have to change the filter now.
You're saying the screens, right?
Yeah,
On the pumps?
Yeah, the filters.
Mhm.
Not inside the car, not inside the pump. Inside it's a filter. You should have a filter in it.
Oh yeah, that one's a given. I gotta do that again.
Oh, man.
And I'm doing the powder coat. I think I told you, black and gold.
Black and oh, I like the black and gold. Black and gold, yeah.
So we got the grill going back on here. Freshly painted bumper. All nice and clean. Just gonna show you guys the new headlights too. There was some condensation, especially on the passenger side beforehand, but now it all looks fresh. Car's close to ready for the streets. Intercooler brackets are being tightened up. Already tightened the ones on the back there. It's just a really stubby Phillips that is basically hitting the ground. That makes this kind of hard. One bumper support on from here. The other side can't get this bumper support because there is an oil cooler there. Now it's all good to go. Car's looking nice and clean. Ready to see some action. That guy probably has like 30 grand of Miatas over there.
Yeah. On gas.
I know you can. It's too tight around here.
Yeah, but it's not doing it bugged out before.
Yeah.
After it warms up, it bugs out. It's not doing it no more.
Oh, that's good.
It could be in the coils. That's what it was. Take it out. Drive it.
Biggest flex.
Yeah. Pump gas in. Drive it again.
So there we go, guys. Front end is fully refreshed on the SC300. Fog lights and headlights fully functioning. Nice little HID kit on it. And the bumper looks nice and clean after being painted.
Oh yeah!
You're happy, huh? Got a little nighttime car meet going today. Turbo K Series Accord. Little Focus ST. Turbo Tuggy. Oh, we got a J Series EF hatch. Really damn nice. Got a dope like NSXR type kit here. See the air scoop and the motor and everything. Dope set of work wheels. Sweet GTR. Got a couple motorcycles. Drop top Beamer. Oh, this thing is really, really dope. This little EF hatch is actually a supercharged K24. Gutted out. Probably stupid fast. Wide body Camaro. R33 GTR out front. Got this S14. This thing has a 1J in it. Have seen it before. Spotted this dope little RSX. Well, this is actually an Integra import. Car's really clean, and you can tell it's boosted. Got a little intercooler out there. Got our boy Danny's DCT SC300 right here. GS, ton of other cars coming in down there. There's way too much stuff to even show you guys. You see, you got some donks over here. Damn, this little thing is pretty sweet. Right-hand drive EG. Little boosted SI, real nice. These Acuras are underrated, man. With the right wheel setup, looking hard, man. Got a K Series, all-wheel drive, EG hatch, true race car. Got the RCG GT3 RS, Evo.